Home for the holidays, and on today's episode of What's in My Parents' Fridge, we're starting off with sushi.
Always sushi.
The love of my... Here.
It's like a 5 out of 10.
7 vodka waters deep. Alright, what's the lineup? No, you gotta call them out. Tell us. Go to the camera.
Empanadas.
Did you make them?
No, what's her face made them?
Salisbury steak, homemade, not
Salisbury steak.
not the what's that microwavable brand?
Oh, not Swanson's TV dinner.
You're done. All right, well, rainbow roll with some soy sauce on it.
Football.
Oh yeah. Here, this is the situation right now. We're heating that up, and then we got these Johns in the. This is an empanada. I don't know what's inside of this, but I'm gonna get hot sauce. This is a Costco. Frank's Red Hot. All right, now we're eating gavadils and like marinara sauce with, I think there's ricotta in it. Honestly, it tastes like vodka sauce. Is it vodka sauce?
No, there was nowhere to go. Yes, vodka. Mom put vodka sauce.